Hello traders and welcome to PL Capital's market review. Today is Tuesday, January 31st. It's just after 5 p.m. Central Time. Going to look at the US dollar, pound, S&P, Nasdaq, oil, and natural gas. So let's get started. All right, we're on the eve of what will probably be the most volatile trading day of the year, or at least top three. A lot of data coming out, earnings coming out, interest rate decision, Powell speaking. So be ready for a roller coaster of a ride. All right, we're looking at the US dollar. It's 4 hour chart. So I said on my weekend review that if we break this 102.55 level, that I think then the low must be in. But the structure that's going up it's not very impulsive. It doesn't. I only see three waves, so it actually looks corrective. Now they could, just be coming down here in three ways and then going to quickly reverse and give you a 3, 4, and a 5. But as it stands now, it still looks to me like they need to come break this low. But we got to obviously keep an eye on this area. I mean, we're at the exact same place that we were back January 12th. So what, 2.5 weeks or so, we've gone nowhere. I mean, it really looks like we're just basing here. The only thing I can see that is if we're going down, that because I still see this whole move to here as a leading diagonal, and then you had three waves up, oops, and then three waves down. So it can't end like that. But now we broke this top. So the only thing I can see is that maybe they're making an expanding flat. So if they do come here and give you 5 waves, and this will actually be the C wave for this expanding flat. So you have A, B, C, and then they'll come down for 3, 4, and 5. So so be careful that if you're going long or you're shorting the euro or the pound or something, it could be just a head fake. Go up here, break this previous high of 102.60 right there. Just break it, and then they could reverse it back down to take out this 101.50 low. So keep an eye on this area. It's still just looking very corrective to me, and I still think there's more down. All right, the pound. The pound, on the other hand, I thought that they had, this was 3, they made this expanding flat for 4, and now we're going up because I still see this as a leading diagonal, but this correction here is getting really deep. And if they take out this 102.263 level, if they take that out, then my count's not wrong. Now they could still go back up and take this high out for a 5, but my count would be wrong, and there's something else going on. So the pound here, I think, has got to reverse really quick here. It doesn't have a whole lot of room. So keep an eye on this little area. If this line gets taken out, then I think there's something else in play for the pound. All right, S&P. So the S&P, I think they are making an ending diagonal here. So I believe this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for 2. We've got a running flat here, so 1, 2. They're going to come up and take out this 4109 level that we created on Friday. That'll be 3 somewhere, and then they'll come down for 4, and then they'll go up, and 5 will take out that 4180. So so it's going to get really choppy, which is exactly what I would expect for tomorrow. Just a lot of violent, quick, 30, 40, 50 point moves straight up and then straight down and then go straight up. So it would fit this, ending diagonal narrative that it gets really choppy right here at the end. But once we break that 4180 level, I think that's the time to start looking for a reversal then. And the Nasdaq, pretty much the same thing. I got 1, 2, 3. Here's the running flat for 4. And, in the Nasdaq, all it has to do is just come take out that 12,339 level, which it almost did Friday. Take that out, and I've got 5 waves in then, and it could be all she wrote for the Nasdaq, and I'm expecting a reversal at that point, or at some point when they break that top. Oil. So to me, this is still looking like this is all correction because of this move straight down here. I still see that as A, B, and it's hard to tell that this is either 3 waves down. And if it is, then they're making an ending diagonal. If it's an impulse, like I thought it was, 5 waves, then that's 1, 2, 3, coming up here for 4, and then go down for 5. Now, if they take out this, if they go break 79.45, then it's not going to be an impulse. It'll probably be an ending diagonal. Not that it really matters, but so I still expect basically one more down, take out 76.55 one more time, and then you'll have your A, B, C, and then they can go back up. So that's what I expect there. Natural gas. Oops, wrong one. So like I said on the Saturday video that I made, that kind of was expecting them to gap down and take out the previous high of 2.68, and that's exactly what they did. So we're in this ending diagonal, and I thought that this would be 1, that's 2, and now we've come down here so that it satisfies the 3 waves. But when I look at the internals of this last wave here, I really only see 3 waves so far, and we got to end in 5. So 1, 2. Now, if this is like a 3, 4, and then that's 5, then we got our 5 waves. But it kind of looks more to me like this is just 1, 2, 3, which means they're making another ending diagonal inside of this 5th wave. And then you got 1, 2, 3, and and then today they, so this would be 2 up here, and then of course they came really close to breaking the low, just like natural gas likes to do. Get everyone thinking, yeah, we're going to break the low, and then they quickly, boom. Now we've come up here in 3 waves, and I think that they're going to reverse it, probably like during the London session tomorrow, early in the day, you'll wake up and natural gas will be down here, or might even already broken it. But so 1, 2, and then they'll give you, that'll be 3, and then they'll go for 4, and then one more down, break the low again for 5. I think that's what they're going to do and give you an ending diagonal here. But if they do break this 2773 level, then that's looking more like this, the 5th wave is done. But we can't confirm the 5th wave until 2908 is taken out. Once that gets taken out, I believe 5 waves are in, I believe the C wave is in, and I believe natural gas starts heading up higher. So, very crucial area right in here. I'm expecting a reversal, but if not, we could be heading up. All right, that's what I've got. So good luck to everyone tomorrow. Be careful, be vigilant, and I wish you the best. Talk to you during the week. Bye.